Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices because QuickShare uses both radios for discovery and transfer speed. Once done, open the Share menu or go to Settings Connections QuickShare to begin. This activates the sender side. Make sure to enable the hidden or invisible receiving mode on the target device so it won't broadcast openly. You do this to control visibility and reduce random requests, and now you're ready to initiate a direct, private transfer. You select the files and tap Share, choosing QuickShare as the method because it prioritizes nearby devices and resumable transfers. Then, pick the hidden receiving device by entering its device name or scanning a QR code or pairing pin if the recipient made it discoverable temporarily. Once the transfer starts, watch the progress in the notification shade. You can pause or cancel if something feels wrong. Keep devices close and avoid heavy interference, so packet retransmit. You complete the process by confirming the recipient received files and then turning off hidden mode when you're done to restore normal discovery. If the transfer fails, restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and retry. Make sure to use QR pairing or a temporary pin which reduces manual miselection. Also check storage space and QuickShare permissions. Insufficient space or blocked storage access is a common cause of stalls. If problems persist, move devices nearer and remove heavy network interference before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.